Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy Nasi Goreng. It's a Malaysian Indonesian style fried rice dish and I'm going to show you how to make it in under 10 pounds. With a few simple ingredients, you'll be able to create this dish at home too. It's really fun, easy and delicious. So let's go. So first of all, let's start with an onion. I'm going to peel this onion with a paring knife. Watch your hands. If you're not comfortable with one, then just chop it in half with a knife. I'm only going to need about half an onion. We're going to halve it and then what you're going to do is you're going to cut open a few lines. Make sure the onion is in place and watch your fingers. And then you're going to dice it into little cubes. Just follow the knife and go downwards. And there you have some fine diced onion. Carrots, cut down into pieces. Lay it flat and cut into strips. Turn it around, go downwards and turn it into cubes. Pepper, remove the center, and we're only going to need about this much. Lay it down, open a few strips and go down into cubes. Some spring onions for garnish, and for those who like spicy, you can add a few red chilies. Now for the meat, you can put whatever ingredients you like. I have 2 prawns, some fish cakes and some cooked chicken. Finally, we're going to mince some garlic, about 2 cloves. This will make your Nasi Goreng more fragrant. So I've got some rice that I made from last night, but you can use whatever rice you like. An egg, half fried rice without an egg. And then you're gonna need your secret ingredient, this Nasi Goreng paste. This paste is a shortcut, gonna make your rice really good. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients covered. We're ready to cook. Ingredients on the screen with the prices. First of all, we're gonna fry our ingredients. Some oil. Prawns. Fish cake and chicken. Chicken goes in last. Fry for about 10 seconds on high heat. In the same wok, add some oil, egg, garlic, oil, vegetables. I've got a bit too much here, I'm gonna save some. Fry. Rice.
So as soon as the rice goes in, you need to turn it on high heat and start frying. This is because the rice is still cold and it takes time to warm up to create some wok hei.
What we're gonna do now is gonna break the rice up. Make sure they're not sticking together. You can put your wok on medium heat for this.
Break the rice up in D, gently hitting it with the bottom part of the ladle. The aim of this part is to heat up your rice slowly, making sure they are individually separated so that there are no clumps.
Now that the rice is hot, we're gonna put some dark soy sauce. Just start with a little bit.
Mix the rice thoroughly with the dark soy, making sure each grain is infused with the golden brown color.
Now that there's some color in the rice, we're going to add the seasoning. Half a teaspoon of salt, bit of MSG if you like, less than half a teaspoon, and your Nasi Goreng paste, about 1 teaspoon. Now you can reuse this paste, just put it in the fridge. Fry.
This is the final part of the stir frying process, where you've already put in most of your ingredients and you're just mixing everything together.
Okay guys, now that the rice is nice and hot, chilies and spring onions in, and your meat's in. Back on high heat, mix everything together.
Fry until all those flavors come out and the seasoning is thoroughly embedded into the rice and you're almost ready to serve.
Soy sauce around the side, and we're ready to serve. So there you are guys, that's how you make a really easy and delicious Nasi Goreng. Great for when you're just on your own and you're trying to make some dinner. Hope you enjoy it and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Oh yeah, so good, such an easy recipe, so fragrant.